Discover the modern and flexible Neon Flex LED strips. 25-meter roll, available in 12-volt or 24-volt DC versions. Perfect for both decorative and functional applications. Thanks to their innovative design and high-quality components, these products combine aesthetics with durability and ease of installation. This is not an ordinary LED strip. It's a flexible line of light enclosed in a durable silicone housing, resistant to weather conditions, damage, and everyday use. With an IP65 protection rating, you can confidently use it both indoors and outdoors. You can choose from 6 vivid light colors: warm white, neutral white, cool white, red, blue, and green. No visible LED dots, just a continuous uniform line of light. And most importantly, you can cut the strip every 1 centimeter to perfectly match it to required length. Need short segments? Try 12-volt DC version. Need longer lines of light? Choose the 24-volt DC1, which allows longer segments when powered from both ends. Both options consume only 12 watts per meter, while delivering up to 1240 lumens per meter. Neon Flex is ideal wherever aesthetics and functionality matter. In living rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, under cabinets, on facades, in gardens, and on terraces. Want to learn more about our flexible LED light Neon Flex strip? Visit our website designlight.eu. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We'll reply for sure. See you soon.